Hello everyone, it's Roaster here. I'm with GT Scorcher from Hot Wheels Let's Race. Hello, and today we're going to look at some brand new 2025 Hot Wheel cars. Alright, GT Scorcher, you want to go first? Alright, let's open that one over there. Okay. Range Rover Velar from Then and Now series, number 2 out of 10. Here's the card art. Here's the car. Let's open them up. Here it is. Range Rover Velar in gold. Light gold. Black wheels. Front headlights. And tail lights. Cool. Thank you for opening me up. No problem. Alright. Roadster, you're next. Let's open this new guy right here. Alright. Drift Ender from HW First Response, number 4 out of 5. Here's the card. And it's a new model for 2025. Here's the card art. And here's the car. Like a drift version of the Range Rover. So let's open them up. Here, Drift Ender. Cool. Got twin turbos in the front. And it's a police car. It's a police drift Range Rover. Cool. Thank God for opening me up. No problem. Okay. Your turn, GT Scorcher. Alright. Let's open this one. 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Also from the Now series. Number 3 out of 10. Here's the card. The card art. Here's the car. Let's open them up. Here it is. 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Red. Gray rims. Honda number 3. Cool. Lightning. Thank God for me up. No problem, Honda Civic. Alright, my turn. Let's open this one. Let's see here. Chevy Supervolt from HWEV, number 7 out of 10. Here's the card art. Here's the car. Let's open them up. Here it is. Chevy Supervolt. Black engine. Black EV battery. Silver wheels. Awesome. Orange and white stripes and dots. Cool. Thank guys. No problem. Alright, your turn, Roaster. Let's open this one. TV series Batmobile from Batman. From Batman. Number 3 out of 5. Here's a card art. Here's the car. And from the 1966 classic TV series Batman. So let's open them up. I'm making a video. Yes. Here it is. TV series Batmobile in dark bluish gray. Cool. Red bat symbol. Awesome. Thank you for opening me up, Chops. No problem. Alright. Your turn. Alright. Let's open this one. Right? Skull Shaker from Xperia Motors, number 3 out of 10. Here's a card art. Here's a car. And also from Hot Wheels Let's Race. So let's open them up. Here it is. Skull Shaker. Got these nubs in the back so we can shake the head of the driver. So yeah, very cool. It's teal. Yeah. Thank you for me up. No problem, Skull Shaker. Alright, my turn. This guy. Futurismo from HW Race Day, number 4 out of 10. And also from Hot Wheels Let's Race. Here's the card art. And here's the car. Let's open them up. Here he is. Futurismo. Silver wheels. Green and black stripe. Number 01. Green window. Black interior. Cool. Thank you for opening me up. Thank you for opening me up. No, thanks for opening me up. No problem.